So in this session, we're being joined by Udo Müller, our head of sales at CID. Udo is in constant exchange with clients and market players, and obviously AI is top of mind for many and leads a lot of conversations at the moment. Udo, what are good practical examples of large language models in use?
The whole thing has triggered an incredible market dynamic. And let me just provide some examples for that. Legal chatbots, companies like Allen Overy with a system called Harvey, KPMG with KimChat, or PwC, typical examples in that area. Personalized wealth services is just another interesting segment, and Morgan Stanley has announced a strategic partnership with OpenAI in this space. The capabilities in analyzing vast amount of data is suitable for risk management, financial crime, AML, fraud, or whatever. And a good example of the use in financial topics is the Bloomberg GPT, with now already 50 billion parameters in a trained model on GPT-3 level. Client advice and deal making in the private equity and venture capital space, that's just another example. Companies like Coatue or PitchBook, they develop AI-driven solutions that help to provide better investment decisions.
Udo, where do you see specific potential for large language models and generative AI, but also AI in general in asset and wealth management?
Yeah. So one really important aspect is to improve and optimize investment processes, especially with regards to time to market. And that's important for the investment target identification as one example. On the other side, these systems are really suitable for gaining more insights to drive better investment decisions by using quantitative and qualitative data more frictionless. Last but not least, there are potentials for cost savings and efficiency gains, especially in the research area.
Sounds great. But what are the challenges?
When it comes to large language models, I see especially still some gaps. And let me just start with the outdated information that is still used today. Furthermore, there is still availability of non-specific large language models. And to be honest with you, the information provided by such systems, that's not really news for experts. I would say that large language models provide the typical suspects experts are already aware of. And last but not least, we have a lot of question marks in the compliance area, especially when it comes to privacy issues, explainability, and also traceability. And that's really key for investment decisions.
Professor Heil, we already discussed like more specialized models might even outperform the large players in such a specific context like asset and wealth management. Any thoughts? How about proprietary data enrichment to large standard models also in this context?
Yeah, sure. Definitely there will not only be a need, but also the technical possibility to include domain-specific knowledge and based on textual data, but also on other structured data to extend large language model applications. And so I think so the combination of both the foundational models in combination with specific models will improve the business case.
Great. Thanks, Udo, for sharing this market insight.
Thanks. You're welcome.